What's a good way to deal with joint pain without prescription medications? Um, Personal story on that one. Lyme disease, you have this invasion of microbes into your joints, and you have an autoimmune phenomenon that breaks down joint tissue, and that generates a lot of inflammation and becomes a vicious cycle. So my joints were shot. Now I started having hip pain when I was in my 30s, and by the time I was at the end of my 40s, crossing into 50s, my joints were shot. My knees were bad. Boy, if I turned my head, you could just hear it crunch. I don't think you can hear it crunch quite as much. It was not pleasant. It was hard to back a car because it was hard to turn around. And 10 years, over a decade of herbs now, all my joints are good at age 64, which is pretty cool. So it's comprehensive. It is suppressing the microbes, which I think one of the best things you can do with that is herbal therapy. No doubt that herbs can really help suppress the microbes, but it's also protecting the cells, and the herbs have the effect of reducing that autoimmune phenomenon that is driving a lot of what I think are the symptoms. There is evidence in the literature, the science now showing that probably one of the driving forces behind Lyme arthritis is the autoimmune phenomenon of the immune system reacting to the microbes. I think that's a big part of it. So cooling that down, and there's nothing better on earth to do that with herbs. As compared, it's not as potent as the drugs, but at the same time, it doesn't have the side effects that the drugs do. Other things like 3 fish oil capsules a day, alkalized water, turmeric, boswellia, collagen. Collagen really made a huge difference. Not bone broth or anything fancy, just a big scoop of collagen in my smoothie every day. All of those things helped my joints rebuild, which is pretty cool.